Have you ever imagined why any number to the power 0 is 1? Let's see two ways to look at it. So, the claim is that any non-zero real number raised to the power 0 equals 1. Here is one way to look at it. What is x raised to y? X raised to y is nothing but x is multiplied with itself y times. To see why x raised to 0 is becoming 1, as an example, let's see some powers of 3. 3 to the power 5 is 3 getting multiplied with itself 5 times. 3 raised to 4 is 3 getting multiplied with itself 4 times. 3 raised to 3 is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 raised to 2 is 3 into 3. 3 raised to 1 is 3 itself. Now, you may observe that 3 raised to 4 is 3 raised to 5 by 3, and 3 raised to 3 is 3 raised to 4 by 3. 3 raised to 2 is 3 raised to 3 by 3, and similarly 3 raised to 0 is going to be 3 raised to 1 by 3. So 3 raised to 0 is 1. Now 3 raised to minus 1 is 1 by 3. We know, right? Now 3 raised to minus 1 is nothing but 3 raised to 0 by 3. In that way, it makes sense that 3 raised to 0 is 1, right? Now this is not only for 3. You can take any non-zero real number x and see that x raised to 0 equal to 1 in this way. Now let's look at it in a different way. We know that for any non-zero real number x, x to the power a by x to the power b is x raised to a minus b. Let's see an example to illustrate this fact. Alright, now 2 raised to 3 by 2 raised to 5 is 1 by 2 into 2. 1 by 2 into 2 is 1 by 2 square, which is also 1 by 2 raised to 5 minus 3. 1 by 2 raised to 5 minus 3 is nothing but 2 raised to 3 minus 5. So we get 2 raised to 3 by 2 raised to 5 as 2 raised to 3 minus 5. Again, 2 raised to 5 by 2 raised to 3, if you see, it is nothing but 2 square by 1, which is 2 raised to 5 minus 3. Now in both these cases we see x raised to a by x raised to b, we will get it as x raised to a minus b. This is just an example to illustrate that fact. Okay. Now what is x raised to a by x raised to b when a equal to b? When a equal to b, we have x raised to a by x raised to b as x raised to a by x raised to a. Now any number divided by the same number, we get it as 1, right? So x raised to a by x raised to a equal to 1. But we also know that x raised to a by x raised to b is x raised to a minus b. Because of that, x raised to a by x raised to a is also x raised to a minus a, which is x raised to 0. And hence we get it as x raised to 0 equal to 1. And again, it makes sense that x raised to 0 equal to 1. So far we have considered a non-zero real number x. Now we ask, what is x raised to a by x raised to a when x equal to 0? Since x equal to 0, x raised to a equal to 0 when a is not 0. We have seen in our previous general math video that division by 0 is not defined. I have proved it, so I will give the link here. Please watch that. Okay. Now we ask, what is x raised to a minus a? That is, x raised to a by a is also x raised to a minus a, right? So what is x raised to a minus a or x raised to 0 when x equal to 0? So precisely our question is, what will be 0 raised to 0? Whether it is not defined or whether it is 0 or whether it is 1 or anything. So with that question, I end this video. Think about it and we will meet in the next general math video.